Para na rin talaga ako nag-shrimp tempura.
Since wala akong shrimp, pwede naman ako mag-veggie tempura. And pa-screen pause na lang for the dipping sauce. So basically, madali lang naman tong gawin. I-season nyo lang yung talong with salt and pepper. And then halu-haluin nyo and set aside. For the batter, I'm mixing 1 cup flour and gradually add the water because we need a thick consistency. And add tayo ng ice para mas maging crispy yung ating talong. And this is the right consistency. So, i-mix na natin sila together and make sure na makover sila maigi ng batter. In a hot oil, isa-isa na natin silang i-deep fry. So, ito na siya guys. May veggie tempura. Tikman natin.